I could pride myself in battles won, for I've been blessed beyond measure, and by His strength alone I overcome. Oh, I could stop and count successes like diamonds in my hands, but those trophies could not equal to the grace by which I stand in Christ alone. I place my trust and find my glory in the power of the Christ. In every victory, let it be said, my source of strength, my source of hope is Christ alone. In Christ alone do I glory, for only by His grace I am redeemed, for only His tender mercy could reach beyond my weakness to my need. And now I seek no greater honor than just to